Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter error code Invalid Request. As per our research, the error occurs when players try to name their character to continue the game. We don't have any official information regarding the error, but it seems to be a general issue that might be caused by a mistake or a glitch. The first thing you should try is to restart your device. Simply turn it off and then turn it back on. Once the device restarts, check if the error still comes. If restarting the device doesn't help, make sure that you are not using any inappropriate words for your character's name. If your chosen name contains any restricted words, the game might prevent you from continuing, so try modifying the name and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, try entering a completely different name and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.